Bear, doing great?
Not so bad.
Not so bad? Yes, high spirits, man.
Another day.
Another day. We fight. and we start the day in Pai. Kickboxing. Let's go. Recommending. Getting her bike and his bike, and my bike is that one, the white one. Zoom out, yes. Yes, and the gear. The gear in me, this one. Jogging's bike from the national park. Ilana's bike. Hopefully we get to have a great day today. Cool. Are you enjoying the ride?
Yeah.
Pretty much? How about you? Yes, pretty cool.
When I went to
How are you feeling, man?
Sunburn.
Sunburn?
That is good.
All is good.
Oh, that's the sunburn. Oh, no.
I'm doing video, huh?
Oh, good.
I'm trying to vlog the people I'm with.
To what? To vlog the people.
No, to vlog.
Oh,
vlog.
vlog.
Video vlog.
Oh, right.
For us, for everybody.
Burning something.
Some of them burn the portion of the farms
Oh, yeah.
for them to make it easier to put up the next batch of plants. But the problem, it's a hazard to the environment.
Yeah, and to the people.
And to the people.
Oh, this is nice.
yeah, this is cool.
This is cool.
You can take my picture here.
Tripod. See, I'm looking at the Buddha. But the problem, it's shaky.
Yeah.
You can use,
And it's just a speck.
You can use,
That's cool shot. Trying to kill a motorbike.
third time.
First time I tried to kill a motorbike.
Didn't manage though. Try harder.
Yeah, next time I'll try harder. Okay, we're going to the waterfalls now.
Yeah.
I think we could hear the waterfalls. Yeah. That's cool. See, the people are gathering now. Ilona's taking her pictures. Having a great time in Pai. Woo! Oops, that's a bag. I'm not going to the water with this camera, so might as well film them. I'm not a swimmer. What are you doing, man? I think somebody will jump. You'll jump? Why? You're thinking there's snakes here? No way to fly the drone. See? Bamboo shoots, and the terrain is not as flat as I need, so no drones today. Climbing on the second level of the waterfall, not a fountain. What the fuck? I'm calling it a fountain.
Are we going again?
I'm so fucking tired. It's a good workout.
Yeah.
It is.
You get something in return.
Lower body workout.
What are you doing in school?
Yes, I'm making videos of the travel. Thank you. They're copying or drawing a picture of a waterfall. Here it is. Sick. I think this is a crazy idea to do, but I'm thinking of trying it. I just need to find a flat surface. See, everybody's chilling out. I'll try the tripod mode. Video of you? Hey, they do the same thing. Cool. See, we have to go back there. Hopefully in one piece. Yala. Same climb.
Nice waterfall?
That part.
There's one there, and then if you there's like a little hike. If you just keep going up of the pool, like straight
Yes.
for 10
Go
minutes
deeper.
up there.
There's
Really cool.
down some caves, crevasse.
Cool. Yeah.
Be safe. Quite cool. I look like somebody who went to the construction. I hope I could film myself like this. Strategizing. I just usually follow them because they know the place more than I do. I don't want to cause problems also. And we'll start again our journey. Also be safe. Somebody got injured in this road. This is the falls. This is where we're going. Go. Famous bamboo bridge. I'm out of battery. That's cool. How far is it? Oh, that's cool. It's pretty. Sorry for that. I think I don't know where they are. This is fucking cool. I think those are the two Americans that we saw in the waterfalls painting. That's cool. What they're doing is cool. That's the job. I'm loving you, man. Hope we travel more together. Dumplings, dumplings.
Can I just try a little bit? Maybe.
I have one, this black one. What's inside the black one?
It's mixed fruit with, I think. Mixed fruit.
One of the best sunsets in Thailand. That's good. Well, it's just a short fall. It's amazing, man. Pai Canyon.
Hey guys,
Hello.
how's it going?
I should have flown it here.
Huh?
I didn't see this place, but anyways.
I was gonna go, bro. Chill.
Oh, it looks so scary to me.
No, it looks cool. It looks fine.
I think here.
It's a video. Chilling in Pai Canyon with Ilona,
Yeah, I got
Joaquim, and Miguel Rios. Cool. Nice day. An amazing day. Such an amazing day with amazing dudes. These two. And the other one is on the other side of the the cliffs. I just don't know where he is. Let's try to pan him in the zoom. I hope we could find Miguelitos. No, I cannot find Miguelito.